Controversy's favorite child, Bollywood actor Kangana Ranaut again stoked more controversy after her freedom as Bheek remarked. The National Award-winning actor has now dragged in Mahatma Gandhi in a series of Instagram posts. Mocking the father of the nation, Kangana has said, one needs to choose their heroes wisely. Any individual can't support Bapu and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose at the same time. Kangana said that those who fought for freedom were turned to the masters by those who didn't have the courage to fight the oppressors, adding that offering another cheek is not going to get Azadi but Bheek. Kangana claimed that Gandhi never supported Bose and that he wanted Bhagat Singh to be hanged. Multiple complaints have been filed against Kangana across the country in states like Rajasthan, Maharashtra and also Jharkhand.
देखिए, हर आदमी का कहने का तरीका होता है, लेकिन कंगना को भी ये समझना चाहिए कि आज़ादी के लोगों का किसी भी तरह से अगर किसी स्टेटमेंट से आज़ादी के दीवानों का, आज़ादी के उन समय के लोगों का उनका अगर भाव कम करते हैं आप, तो ये अच्छा नहीं रहेगा।
We demand two things immediately from the government, that immediately not only Padma Awards, all national awards which we gave, the governments gave to this film actress, the government should take back all those awards. And number two, immediately the government should file a case of Deshdroh, Rashtradrah against a film actress who is insulting the entire freedom struggle, who is insulting the contribution of Mahatma Gandhi ji, who is insulting the sacrifice of Mahatma Gandhi ji for India's struggle for freedom.
कंगना रनावत को जिस तरह हमारे राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधी को लालची, सत्ता का भूखा कहा, भारतीय जनता पार्टी से नेताओं से उसकी निकटता के चलते पद्म सम्मान से सवाजा है भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार। शर्मनाक। मुकदमा कायम होना चाहिए, गिरफ्तारी होनी चाहिए कंगना रनावत की और माफ़ी मांगे प्रधानमंत्री जी और गृह मंत्री जी जिन्होंने पद्म सम्मान दिया है।
शिवसेना की भूमिका बहुत स्पष्ट है कि जो बेताल उन्होंने बयानबाजी की है उसको देखते हुए ये सेडिशन की, राष्ट्रद्रोह की ये केस होती है। उनका पद्म जो पुरस्कार उनको दिया गया है वो सरकार ने वापस लेना चाहिए।
कंगना रावत के बारे में मैं अभी कुछ नहीं, क्योंकि इतनी बात बार बार वो छेड़ रही है देश में, महाराष्ट्र में, मुंबई में, वो गलत और उसको सपोर्ट करने वाले कौन है आपको पता है? वो कुछ उसके कहते नहीं, इसके लिए उसका ज़्यादा ही मोरल बढ़ रहा है।
My colleague Akshita Nandgopal was earlier in conversation with Netaji's daughter Anita Bose on Kangana Ranaut's recently passed remark on India's independence. Listen in.
Anita, thank you for joining us here on India Today. Good morning to you. What do you make of Kangana's comment? You know, in a series of Instagram posts, she's now said that Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru were ready to hand over Netaji to the British. What do you make of this comment?
I don't know of any such event, but I think it is rather mute now to discuss the question of whether one or the other freedom fighter did more for independence. I think all the freedom fighters and the millions of people who participated in the struggle for independence, who were quite unknown, generally speaking, contributed to India's independence. It's not a question of one having been the only father of independence.
You've pointed out how they did have differences, but what do you make of this entire argument and this debate that, you know, it was Gandhi and Nehru versus Netaji and the likes of Bhagat Singh? What do you have to say really about these kind of binaries? Because there's a huge debate on it on social media after what Kangana said.
Both of them were great heroes and fought for India's independence. And you might argue one could have done without the other. I doubt it. Ultimately, I think it was a combination of factors which led to India's independence.
I also want to get your point, ma'am, and your perspective on what Kangana said earlier. You know, there's a huge controversy that played out here last week also when Kangana said that our freedom in 1947 was bheek. What do you make of that?
I think there's no point in taking a very naive, one-sided view of historical developments. It was a whole set of contributing factors.
Final question to you, Ms. Arita Bose. You know, with Kangana's statement about the 1947 freedom movement, do you also believe, but that there are some aspects of the freedom struggle that perhaps we need more clarity on, that we need more details on, like the transfer of power in 1947?
I think it's very rare that one has studied everything extensively and there is no more additional insight to be gained. But I think on the other hand, I think all or most of the documents regarding that time have been published and have been declassified.
Ms. Anita Bose, thank you very much for joining us here on India Today. So that is the daughter of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose speaking out here in India Today.